is through employment opportunities. Technology is changing very rapidly nowadays, and workers and employees are unable to grasp the technology. A technological revolution is fast, replacing human beings with machines in mutually every sector and industry in the global economy. In all three key employment sectors are agriculture, manufacturing, and services. Machines are quickly replacing human laborers and promise an economy of near automated production by the mid-decades of the 24th century. Already, millions of workers have been permanently eliminated from the economic process, and whole work categories and job assignments have shrunk been restructured. At the very height of our recent recession, we had unemployment of around 10%. More than 800 million human beings are now unemployed in the world. Corporations are eliminating 2 million jobs annually. Less than 5% of companies around the world have been begun the transition to the new machines culture. Are we prepared for a world where 50 to 75% of workers are unemployed? When computers are capable of advanced pattern recognition and beat humans at chess, when cars drive themselves and robots perform intricate tasks, what jobs will be left? Growth in trade and change in technology over the past 3 decades have changed employment in advanced economics. We can take in historical examples like artisans and weavers reduced to poverty often the introduction of mechanized looms. More use of computers and robots rather than manpower, automated process in the industry, online banking transactions have started in the banks. Almost 47% of the US jobs are computerized within 1 or 2 decades. So, at the end, I would like to conclude that technology is the biggest threat to employment opportunities due to lack of experiences in new technology, and employees are unable to grasp the technology. Thank you.
A heartily good morning to all of you present over here. Today, I, Soumya Saxena, attains the golden opportunity to express and put a torch against the motion technology is a threat to employment opportunities. First of all, I would like to introduce the famous saying of J.F. Kinney, that is, ask not what a country has done for you, ask what you can do for the country. Technology provides a golden opportunity for the people who can do something for you. And there are so many multinational companies to be installed in the country for the large-scale production of goods. And due to these growing companies, so many uncounted employment opportunities has been come, and they help to the rural areas also. Dear friends, I am talking about the rural areas. There, the person work at home in the previous time, but nowadays they are coming in front of the urban areas, and they are shifting from the rural areas to urban areas. And because of the good opportunity of employment, as we all know that 75% of the citizens of India are employed in the agricultural sector. These days, numerous chemicals are introduced by the technology which have multiplied growth rate of agriculture products and provide profit to the farmer. Technology provides a helping hand for the growth of unemployed ones. Many employers use internet technology to advertise job openings. Job seeker also visit a company website or a job bank database to read description about position. And they got so many examples from the job like Naukri.com are there. And I have an example of our Prime Minister also put a step towards the upbringing of technology by installing the scheme Make in India, in which many people of the country are trained to become familiar with the technology, which helps in economic growth, so that we can conclude that technology again proves to be a helping and increasing the employment opportunities. Thank you.
You said that technology provides opportunities to the employees to grow themselves. But in industry, all the works which are previously done by manpowers, nowadays technology has taken place over there, and all the works are done by through machines which are directly affected to the risk at the employee's job.
Dear friend, you are right in your point, but think from my point also that if the technology increases, then there are so many industries are being installed in our country, and by this the employment opportunity is also coming day by day, and so many workers who are coming from the rural areas to urban areas, that's why they are coming. If they do not get the job, then how and why they come from the rural areas to urban areas?
But technology directly affected to the labor level manager, don't you think that?
No, I don't think that because they learning so much things from the technology, and there are so many trainings are going on for to